Hello and welcome to the Fibonacci free video for Friday, August 12th. This is David, and hey, this update, I want to come in and just review an idea that we talked about here a few weeks ago here in Intuitive Surgical. So if you remember what we talked about, right, this is a name that topped out at its Voodoo fire line and worked its way down to a Voodoo fire line. These are the most important of the Voodoo line levels, and they're important as we build these Voodoo line roadmaps that incorporate elements of Fibonacci and Elliott wave in terms of trying to help us anticipate where prices might go. Now, we also factored in just some pure Fibonacci, taking a look at this leg down and this subsequent leg down being similar in price, and suggesting that this was an interesting spot to watch for possible recovery, especially as this had tested and held the Voodoo tree line, the second most important of the Voodoo line levels, and suggested that we could be building a roadmap higher to 258.65, the next fire line up, and perhaps above. Now, it's not a done deal that we're going to reach that upper fire line or that next fire line up, but we are seeing exactly the roadmap behavior that we would expect. So last week we followed up by breaking above this this next tree line up, and something that we've continued to hold on pullbacks towards it. So long as this 243.33 level roughly holds, I'm going to keep looking upwards towards 258.65. At that point, could it continue up? Absolutely it could, but we might be due for a pullback. So I'd require it to get above and pull back to a level where it found support somewhere above 258.65 before being too optimistic about continued recovery. But as I said a few weeks ago, before the S&P looked as good as it now does, that I was selectively bullish names that were behaving like this from key Voodoo line support areas, and that has worked out. So long as it keeps following the roadmap upwards, I'm going to still be bullish in this name towards that 258.65 Voodoo lines level. Hope you found that useful, and I will see you at the next update. Hey, David here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video. I hope you found it useful. And if you did, please help us out. Click the like button. You can also add your comments below. We love to read those and respond to them. You can also click the bell icon. That will alert you whenever we have new and updated videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time with our own money, you can visit simplertrading.com to learn how to sign up. Until I see you again, as always, good trading, and we'll see you at the next video.